Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Evolution of seed. Seed may be defined as a fertilized and ripened ovule. The evolution of seed is the most important process in the evolution of vascular plants because seed is the structure which can survive under unfavorable conditions. It is possible for the preservation of species. Seeds have made the plant's dominant vegetation on land. The evolution of seed involves the following steps. Number 1. Development of heterosphere. Before the evolution of seeds, all the plants were homosporous. Homosporous means that those plants contain similar types of spores. With the passage of times, the plant become heterosporous. All the seeded plants are heterosporous. They produce two types of spores known as microspores and megaspores. The microspores are produced in microsporangia or pollen sacs which germinate into male gametophyte, and the megaspores are produced in megasporangium or ovules which germinate into female gametophyte or embryo sac. Second, retention of megaspore inside the megasporangium. In homosporous plant, no spore are retained in the sporangium, while in heterosporous plant, they maintain their megaspore into the megasporangium. Instead of being shed from the sporangium, like the spores of lower vascular plants or homosporous plants, the megaspores of the seed plants are permanently embedded and protected inside the megasporangium. Here, the megasporangium develops into a small female gametophyte. Third, formation of integuments around the megasporangium and evolution of ovule. In this case, the megasporangium was surrounded by branch-like outgrowths. These outgrowths became fused during evolution to form an envelope-like structure called integument. Around the sporangium, the integuments form protective covering. The integumented megasporangium, in which the megaspore is retained, is called an ovule or unripened seed. The ovule also contains large quantity of food for developing embryo. These two characters, protection and food, are the best adaptive characters of land plant to their environment to make them prominent on land. Evolution of pollen tube. The non-vascular plants and the lower vascular plants require water for fertilization. They produce motile flagellated sperm that reach the non-motile egg through water from rain or dew, etc. However, the seed plant do not depend on water for fertilization. The evolution of pollen tube parallels the evolution of seed. The egg produced in the ovule is enclosed and protected by the integuments, and the sperm would not be able to reach the egg. This obstacle is overcome by the development of pollen tube that act as a vehicle for the transport of sperm to the eggs inside the ovule to ensure fertilization. Thus, the seed plants can grow in a variety of terrestrial environments, from the alpine environment to the mountains to the arid region of the desert. Thank you so much.